First thing you do is you set up memberships. With anyone who is a transfer from our current clients, engineering will import all of their users and membership types and that sort of thing. Sometimes they're a little messed up and you're going to have to go through and fix them because the names are a little off or there's like extra ones. So when they import it, it's not, you know, there's a bunch of stuff there, but it's going to import all of the purchase history, all their usernames and passwords, so they don't have to like reset their password or anything. Basically transfers everyone from the old system. Here I have created a test membership. If you're adding anything new, you just say add new, and you go through the steps that I'm going to show you. So you name it, you know, I try to name it very specifically. Is it in county, out of county, any of that stuff? You know, however many membership types they have, you have to create one membership per type. Down here, you have the registration options. So I always change this to complete checkout. You do not have to. I'm going to open a brand new one just so you can see the defaults. They have sign up. Just sometimes that can be confusing. Right here is the email they get. If they ever want to customize that welcome email, you can edit it right here. I will show you how to add additional fields, but if you have a bunch of different fields, you can turn them on and off per membership right here. An example of that is Lavernia, one of our self-service clients who is actually also Wilson County. She has like a free gift checkbox, and that only applies to, I think, print memberships. Like it doesn't apply to online only. So she had to turn it off for all the online only ones. And customized payment methods. Usually they don't have more than one payment method, but if they did, you could customize which ones they're using per membership if you had to. Here's the first screen. If you go to permissions, you just want to make sure that says everyone. If it says disabled, it's going to not be available. And then price box, you put your title in, so you know. So right here, this 1 week, if I go back to add new membership, that's the title. And then pricing display, I always do custom and just put the price in there because otherwise it puts a bunch of text with it. So that's what this $7 is. So 1 week, $7. They added some other information. This continue to checkout button is what is this first registration button text on the front page. Once you click that, it's going to take you to another page that has where you fill in your name, your address, your payment info, all that stuff. And the button text right here, sign up, that's what is at the bottom of that page. But yeah, so you fill in the price, fill in the title, and then you don't need to worry about advance. You're not going to do anything that's all you need to do. And then all you need to do right here for membership terms is put in the actual price of whatever it is. So if you ever need to update it, this is where you'd update here, and you'd want to update in the actual price box because that's what displays on the screen. Billing type, usually it's one time, sometimes it's recurring, and recurring is if, you know, it's a monthly charge or something like that. So one time, and then access, you would say expire, and you would expire after whatever the time frame is. So, you know, some people have 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. So once again, if they have multiple, so say they have online access only and print access, and they have a 6 month, a 1 year, and a 2 year, that is 6 total memberships that you have to create. So one for each time frame and one for each type, account type. So, you know, 1 year, and you want to say allow renewals, which means they can renew when it expires next year. I'm going to say publish. That's going to save it. If you're using Stripe, you would set it to recurring and it'll auto set it up. And yeah, you could set up auto renewals. Most people don't do that though, although we've had a few people ask for it, but yeah, that's what recurring would be for the billing type. So that's how you set up just one individual membership. The next step that goes with that is groups.